Ollie's Go-Go Glow. Leo had the sleepy time size. It was a beautiful sunny Tuesday, but Leo felt blah. He didn't want to build his block tower. He didn't want to vroom his red truck. He was just lying on the living room rug, feeling floppy, like a noodle. "Oh dear," said Mom. "That's a very big sigh. It looks like you've run out of Go-Go Glow." "I've run out of Go," Leo mumbled into the carpet. "Well then, we'd better fix that," said Mom. She went to the kitchen and came back with a smile. In one hand, she had a bright, round, cheerful orange. On the orange's peel, someone had drawn a tiny, happy face. "This," she said, "is Ollie the Orange. He's a ball of sunshine from the orchard." Leo sat up a little. "He's just an orange." "Oh no," Mom said. "Ollie is on a very important mission to stop the sleepy time size." Mom quickly peeled the orange. As she did, a fresh citrusy PFFSSST sprayed into the air. "Wow," said Leo. "What was that?" "That," Mom whispered, "is the Go-Go Glow escaping. It smells just like sunshine, doesn't it?" She handed Leo a slice. "Quick, catch the power." Leo popped the orange slice in his mouth. A burst of sweet, tangy juice filled his whole mouth. It was delicious. He said, his eyes opening wide. "It tastes like a party." "That's the Go-Go Glow waking you up," said Mom. Leo ate another slice. He felt a little wiggle in his toes. He ate another slice. He felt a little tingle in his fingers. He ate 2 more slices. Suddenly, he felt a bowing in his knees. Leo hopped up onto his feet. He wasn't Floppy anymore. He was Bouncy. "Mom!" "It worked," Leo giggled, jumping up and down. "I'm full of Go-Go Glow." "That's not all," said Mom, handing him a small glass of fresh orange juice. "Ollie also gives you a superhero shield to fight off the achoo germs." Leo drank the juice in one big gulp. "Got it," he said. He flexed his muscles. "I've got my shield and my bounce power." Leo zoomed past his mom, grabbed his red truck, and ran toward his block tower. "I'm going to build the tallest tower in the world." "Vroom!" "Thanks, Ollie," he shouted back. And on the table, the leftover orange peels sat in a little pile, smelling like sunshine, its mission complete.